Hi, welcome to the Nestor Mango channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So in this video, what we are going to see is that we will take the one button, one input field, and we will see that how we can open the keyboard of the system. Because sometimes your window, making the window application, it's work on the touch screen devices, and Unity doesn't support you open the any keyboard. So what we have to do is that we have to write the code to open the keyboard. But in Android application, if you are running the same application, so it will work because Android Unity supports the keyboard. But in window application, if there is a touch, so it doesn't support to open the keyboard. So let's see what we have done. Just I have write the code on the on click button. So there is a just .NET C# script that system diagnosis is start process. So basically we are starting the process. This is the way that you can open any process in your system. OSK is a inbuilt Microsoft keyboard. So just we are trying to access that keyboard and start. There is a one button, and then just I have passed the reference of the method, and then there is a input field. So if you want to try on the input field, so you have to just put that code on the on highlight. Means if you are clicking in the input field and it's getting highlighted, so at that time you have to open the keyboard. So let's click on the button and let's see how it's working. So you can see that here is our keyboard, and you can just use you can type anything, and it will work in all the window application. So just I'm just it. So I want to see that if I am closing the keyboard, so how I will get to know that I have someone have closed the keyboard. So for this I have to write the script. I will just get the callbacks. So there is no any predefined callbacks. You have to just, this is the process. So just I'm taking the P, and just this process I'm passing inside the P. And in the update method, I'm just checking that this process is ended or not. If you are clicking on the cross of keyboard, so basically the process end at that time. So I'm just trying to see that P has exited. If he have exited, it means that process have been ended. So this is the process start and process running and process end. So whenever you're writing the script for the process, something like system diagnostics, so what you have to do is that you have to always put the try catch block, because it is most probably sometimes it can give you exception due to many reasons. So just why you have to be careful every time you have to put the try catch. Code will always work for every process, so you can use this code. And then let's check how it's working. So just click on the, and you can see that keyboard is on, and message we can see that process is running. And when I'm closing it, so you can see that process ended. Okay, so let's try with another keyboard that supports, but that is not so well. So I will not suggest you to do that. It is the best keyboard, you can use it, or you can just find out some from the asset store. Okay, so this was about the OSK keyboard, and there I got one keyboard that tap tip. So it basically works one time, so that's why I don't suggest to you to use this. I don't know if you are getting that. You can just drop in the comment box that how it works. So if you click, so it is first time, so it will open, but in second time it doesn't open. But it process work also same with this, so you have to use the OSK. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and drop in the comment box. You can also support me on the Patreon and the Discord server. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.